Hey guys, this is Octavia popping in for a quick video. This video is for information purposes only. I simply wanted to share my Chalazion experience. For those of you who do not know, an eye sty and a Chalazion are two different beasts. This eye sty is caused by an infection. It can be to the upper or lower lid and it requires antibiotics for treatment. The Chalazion is actually an eyelid bump that comes from a clogged oil gland. So I had a Chalazion for about a month and a half. It started out small and then it started to increase in size. When it started to increase in size, of course, I wanted to do something about it because I did not like what I saw in the mirror. With that being said, I didn't have any irritation, no redness or anything. So it did not bother me at all in that aspect. I started looking at some of the videos on YouTube, and some people actually that sought medical attention, there were like two treatment options that a lot of people chose to utilize. One would be the steroid shot that's inserted directly into the bump. And another method would be for the doctor to lance the bump up under the eyelid to release the oil out of the gland. So with these two procedures, based on some of the experiences, the bump did return back. And of course, there are some risks associated with these two procedures. So I opted to do the warm eye compress along with the eye massage. So I would do the eye compress probably about 3 or 4 times each day with 10 to 15 minute intervals. And after each interval, I would take my index finger and just gently rub down, push down. And once my finger was over the eyelid, I would just gently massage it and continue to press downward. Please use caution when doing the eye massages because the skin is so thin on your eyelids and you don't want to do any additional damage. Okay, so I started on a Wednesday. And I actually, after the first day, that next morning when I woke up, I did have some crust in my eyes, so I felt like I was making some progress. I continued to do that, and Friday actually was D-Day. I actually felt some, after doing the interval, 3 or 4 intervals with the heat compress, I felt some like pressure release. That's the best way I can describe it. So after doing like the eye massage or whatnot, it was like something was in my eye, so I ran to the bathroom. Got some tissue and I just kind of dabbed, and it was like some fluid on the tissue, but it was clear, but it was like tacky. So I'm assuming that was some of the oil that was seeping out. So I continued to massage and some more of the oil continued to drain out. So that Saturday I woke up, the bump was still there, but it wasn't as big. So I continued with the intervals with the warm eye compress. And that Sunday morning I woke up, ta-da, guess what? The bump was gone. So that actually worked for me. I have seen videos when people tried tea tree oil, castor oil, and you name it, and it did not work. Because again, this bump can be stubborn. But it worked for me, and again, this was just for information purposes. Please seek your medical provider if you have any questions or concerns or, for treatment, because I just wanted to share my journey with you guys, and I hope it will help someone. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.